Alright guys, I got a refrigerator problem. I got a lot of things breaking right now, so I'm going to try to fix this myself. So I bought this Samsung refrigerator just a couple years ago. The model number RF261B and several numbers and letters after it. I guess it could also work for the RF260B. But I'm going to show you what broke here, and we're going to see if we can fix this. So your fridge probably looks a little something like this. The One Touch pure water. So this button here is what broke. And so what I did was I grabbed this little crowbar looking thing and carefully slid it in between the cracks here and just carefully pried this thing out. You don't want to scratch up the side of it, but that's what it looks like when it's out. This is the little mechanism that pushes the water out. I'll show you what broke and why it broke. We've only had this fridge for about 2 years. Bought it from Sears. I've been pretty disappointed with it because after about 1 year the ice maker stopped working, and now this button here broke. Alright, so my camera ran out of memory, so I had to take some stuff off. But so the problem is on this thing is it's plastic. So this thing fits right here, and it's just held in there by plastic. And no wonder it broke after 1.5 years, 2 years. So I ordered another one. I just got it today. I ordered it from SamsungParts.com. So I'm going to open this up here and I'm going to be right back. Alright, I just opened it up. Here's the new one. Looks a little different, but it's still plastic. Hopefully this one will last a little bit longer. So I'm gonna install it here. I don't know much about refrigerators, so this should go in here really easy. Let's see if I can do it with the camera. See, there's a hole right there. You just slide that into where that water nozzle is. Alright guys, I'm going to have to put this down for a minute while I snap that in there. Alright, there it is. It just took 2 hands to snap it in there. Really, really easy. I'm not a mechanical fixing kind of person, but this was easily doable. Turn the water on. You should probably turn the water off before you start doing this. Turn it back on. We're back in business. Alright. So yeah, the total was $16.60 with shipping. And there is the part number right there. Part number, model number, assembly cover dispenser, 1065. Easy fix. Anybody could do it. See ya.